resolving bad tasting ice or water from an LG refrigerator. If the ice or water from your LG refrigerator has an unpleasant taste, there are a few steps you can take to resolve the problem. If this is a newly installed refrigerator, dispense and discard about 2 gallons of water from the dispenser. This will help purge any debris from the refrigerator's water line system. If the ice maker is being used for the first time, it is recommended to dispose of the first 2 full bins of ice. Bad tasting ice or water can be caused by refrigerator odors. Not using an LG water filter, using a filter for more than 6 months, the wrong type of water line, or not using the water for a long time. For refrigerator odors, let's start with the fresh air filter, available on some models. The fresh air filter helps remove odors from the refrigerator and has 2 settings, automatic and power mode. Auto is the default setting. Press the fresh air filter button once for power mode. Press it again to switch back to auto mode. In auto mode, the fresh air filter will cycle on and off in increments of 10 minutes on and 110 minutes off. If set to power mode, the filter will stay on continuously for 4 hours, cycling on and off in increments of 10 minutes on and 5 minutes off. After 4 hours, the fresh air filter will switch back to auto mode. Another step to eliminating refrigerator odors is to use airtight food storage containers. Food in the refrigerator should be kept tightly sealed, and the interior of the unit should be cleaned regularly. You can also place boxes of baking soda in both compartments for odor absorption. Do not use open containers of baking soda, as this can allow the baking soda to be stirred up and circulated in the air. Regarding filter use, be sure to always use genuine LG brand filters that are not expired. It is recommended that the water filter be replaced every 6 months or more often as needed. You can order replacement LG filters in the parts and accessories store on lg.com. If the water tastes fine but the ice does not, this can be the result of water softeners. Water softeners do not have a taste in a liquid state, but when frozen, the chemical properties of the softeners change and can affect the taste of the ice. This is not the result of the refrigerator, but the softeners added to the water. Look behind the refrigerator and make sure that the water line to the refrigerator is either copper or PEX tubing, as the owner's manual specifies. Braided stainless steel water lines, for example, can cause bad tasting ice and water. Lastly, if you don't use the water for a long time, the water in the water lines and the tank can become stale and develop a bad taste. Dispense and discard about 2 gallons of water to purge the system, then taste the water again. And if you do not use ice frequently, you should empty the ice bin and allow more to be made. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the lg.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions,